Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. So for today's vlog, guys,
Oh yeah, the vacuum. Yeah, vacuum.
we have parcel. Just arrived the other day. And we're gonna unbox it tonight. And then here, I didn't know that he ordered from online shop, right?
Neither did I.
Until it came and knocking on the door. I held first and said, oh, he's calling me. Oh, there's parcel coming. What kind of parcel? I don't know what kind of parcel. And it was a vacuum.
Oh well.
Because we got a vacuum before, but he retired.
How good
He
works.
retired.
How good works.
Yeah, I hope it works. Okay.
There's lots of parts.
Yeah. So this is our new vacuum. Yeah. He said it's a nice one. He said. He always say it's a nice one. He never.
What's that?
Yeah, let's Google. So here
This
is.
bit is that bit.
It's smooth than the other one. It's hard.
Is it?
Yeah, look. So. Oh, sorry. Did I?
No, I saw someone in the camera.
This one.
Ooh,
God.
this is a telescope.
Seems like
This
yours.
is a telescope.
Seems like yours is big than this one.
This could be big. Look, it looks like a telescope. Red. Maybe it's fast. There we go again. What's
I
that?
think this is heavy when I hold it.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Ooh,
It's
it's really got power.
It was really charged. Oh my god. So, ito guys, dito yun
This can go
makukuha.
in this.
Yung mga, dito siya malalagay yung mga alikabok, mga ganon, mga dust. So, gusto ko yung una ng vacuum, kaso nasira siya. May parts na nawala.
How many parts of this is there?
Only this.
That's a bit short, isn't it?
Yeah. And I guess it's heavy to hold this one.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's heavy.
This seems like it's for short
See,
people.
because you need to,
Maybe
see?
for Filipinos.
Hold it.
Oh, okay.
But Juan vacuum is more heavier than that one. Remember their
Goodness me.
vacuum?
Maybe that way.
So, hindi na kami nanonood ng manual guys kasi feeling namin genius kami.
Alright, it's a bit further. Look.
Yeah.
See, it looks it's getting big now.
Because Jacob will come and run. You know. So, ayan.
Where do you charge it? How do you charge it? Is there a power lead?
This is the power lead.
Oh, is it?
It's a tube.
Oh, let's plug into something.
I'm gonna check here.
Ah.
See, ganun kami
Isn't
guys.
there something to hang it on the wall?
Huh?
What's that
This
other-
one.
Oh, this bit here. What's this bit?
This one, no.
No, this bit here. This bit.
Yeah, that's the one I'm gonna hang.
It goes that way. That way. You got that wrong.
Yeah.
Guess
I know, but this one.
It's gotta go.
It's like that.
I knew that. That's what I was trying to tell you.
Ganun kami wala nang panood
So it's
doon.
like this
Ay,
holes.
Diyos ko.
I see the holes like that. I see.
Yeah. And this one, the last one.
Ooh, there you go. Stick it in.
So, wait.
Ooh. Is
So,
that a,
meron din siya dito,
is this the turny
pampalinis.
bit in here? Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's so. The other one is soft. That one is nice because it's hard, you know. I don't know that one is good. But, ayan, meron din siyang pang, ano,
That's for doing lounges and things.
for lounge. Ito.
Or cars.
Yeah, this one. But, I don't know why they have to put like
There's
this.
two. There's two there.
It's two?
Yeah, you pull that one out.
How can you pull? Wala, hindi na kami nagbabasa, guys. Parang feeling genius na talaga kami. How about this one? Uy, it's with uy, or else we damage that one.
Yeah, maybe it's one time. It's a bit weird.
Wala naman siya nakalagay dito. Wait, check ko pa din. Naka ano lang. 14, it's a 2-in-1 upholstery brush. That's number 14. And 15 is long crevice. What you mean this one nozzle?
Yeah, there'll be big parts. There's the parts there. That's the one there. No, this is the one there.
Yeah,
That's it.
how can you pronounce this one?
Long crevice.
Yeah.
That's it.
For what is this?
In the corners.
Ah, okay, in the corners. And that one.
This doesn't seem normal with that like that.
But it says 2-in-1 upholstery.
Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. It's a bit weird.
I'm the one who get it again.
Ah, you're pushing it
You
like
need to
that.
push this and like that.
Ah, I was going to say it looked a bit weird.
Hindi niya nakuha kanina. Paano daw?
So that must go in
Ano,
there.
tanggalin. I-push mo lang siya dito. Dito siya na ano.
Can we try it?
Yan. We're gonna try in a room. Ayan. Titingnan natin, guys. Pupunta kami sa kwarto. Kasi sa kwarto, I guess 3 days na ata hindi ako nag-vacuum. Kasi nga nasira yung vacuum namin. Titingnan natin kung may mga dust doon. Let's go. So, ayan, guys. Andito na kami sa aming kwarto. So, we're gonna try the vacuum if it works well. Okay, you can start it now. What's wrong? Oh. Nagpailaw-ilaw pa si, vacuum. What do you think?
That's right.
Pero ako pa rin makapagsabi niya na okay siya. Kasi ako naman talaga laging naglilinis sa bahay. So, parang nakikita namin may nakukuha na siyang dust. 3 days hindi ako naglinis dito ng vacuum. Tingnan mo siya. Parang okay naman siya. May dumi na siya.
Yeah,
Ayan.
but look, you can see. Look, it's already got all that
Oh
dirt.
my God.
All that
It's
dirt
all
already.
dirt for 3 days. Look at that.
Just for that little bit of there.
OMG. So, maganda siya, guys. So, it shows that the vacuum is good. Hey.
Yep.
You see? It's all clean. See? Nakita nyo siya. Ayan, oh. Iba na yung kulay niya. Naging puti siya dito. Yung iba, hindi yun. Ayan. So, I wanna try it too. Can you hold it here?
It's very tricky. You might not know how to use one.
I know how to use it. Don't tell me I don't know how to use
It's
it.
very tricky.
My goodness.
The button is
Here
tricky.
you go again.
Button is tricky.
So, what do you want me to do? I have to wait for you to clean it and I will not do it? So it's, akala ko mabigat siya. Hindi pala siya mabigat pag ginamit mo na siya. Parang magaan siya. Ayan. So, Ganda. Makikita mo yung nasaan yung dumi kasi may ilaw. Uy, maganda. I like it.
Is it tricky?
Yeah, thanks for this new vacuum. It's
Is
nice.
it tricky?
It's not tricky. It's good. Look, huh? It's good because you can do this side. See? Let's go in Jacob's room. Let's do it in Jacob's room. Punta kami kay Jacob. Wow! Look at that! Yes! A new one! Wow! Oh, it's dirty!
It's not for kids.
Look, it's not turning around.
Doesn't matter. It doesn't have to turn around. It's just.
He said it's dirty. You see the dirty? Huh? Ooh. The dirty? Let's go to our lounge.
Yay!
Oi, another box.
Yeah, dirty.
Speak English.
Dirty.
Oh my goodness, look what she's done.
Oh no! Oh no! Go!
Oh my goodness, look what she's done.
I'm just only holding you.
Because Jacob, you can let me muck around.
You check daddy, maybe we damage it.
Could you-
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a
Oh
wonderful day. See ya. Bye. Don't forget to hit the notification bells down below. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for my members. Butterfly, Peacock, and Flamingo.
Bye!